Today I'm going to teach you how to install a Shopify theme using a zip file. This is particularly useful when you've purchased a theme from a third-party marketplace or received a custom theme from a developer, allowing you to add it directly to your store without going through Shopify's theme library. First, you'll need to navigate to shopify.com in your web browser. Once you're there, go ahead and log in to your account using your credentials. Make sure you're logging into the correct store if you manage multiple Shopify accounts, as this will determine where your theme gets installed. After logging in, you'll land on your Shopify homepage or dashboard. From here, direct your attention to the left side of the screen where you'll see your main navigation menu. Look for the option labeled Online Store and click on it. This section is where all your theme management and customization tools are housed, making it the central hub for anything related to your store's appearance. Once you're in the Online Store section, focus on the top portion of the screen. You should see a button that says Import Theme. Click on this button and a drop-down menu will appear with different options. From this menu, select Upload Zip File. This is the key feature that allows you to install themes from external sources rather than just using what's available in Shopify's official theme store. Next, you'll see an option to add file. Click on this button to open your computer's file browser. This is where you'll locate the zip file containing your Shopify theme. Navigate through your folders to find where you've saved the theme file on your device. It's important that the file is in zip format, as Shopify won't accept other file types for theme uploads. After selecting your zip file from your computer, click Upload File to begin the installation process. At this point, Shopify will start processing and uploading your theme to your store's theme library. You'll likely see a progress indicator showing how much of the upload has been completed. Depending on the size of your theme file and your internet connection speed, this might take anywhere from a few seconds to a couple of minutes. It's important to stay on this page and not navigate away until the upload is fully complete, as interrupting the process could result in an incomplete or corrupted theme installation. Once the upload is finished, your new theme will appear in your theme library and it's ready to use. You can now preview it, customize it, or publish it live to your store whenever you're ready. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.